In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily loop a video on Instagram story. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first off, open up Instagram app. Then swipe to the right to bring up story camera, and then first off just hit at this infinity icon that activate the boomerang mode for your camera, and after that you can record a short video and it will play over and over again. In that case, you can make loop video, and also you can customize it. If you want, you can hit at that loop symbol, and then first off you may trim this video if you want. And also you can slow it down by hitting at that symbol. Also, you can add echo effect just like that to your looped video, and you can select duo to increase the speed of this video. Once you have done with that, just don't forget to hit at done, and after that you can continue editing that video. You can add here some stickers, text, all that stuff as you usually do with your stories. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Instagram tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you like that video, and I see you in the next one.